So here we are at the BlueBay Grand Esmeralda in Riviera Maya, Mexico. And we're right on the highway that you can see there. And it's brilliant for getting around with the local transport, the colectivos. I'll do a video on that, so please check it out and see how you can get to some great places very cheaply. This drive is about a 10-minute walk, and the hotel does have a taxi service that you can use, which will charge you 70 pesos to give you a ride to the end of the drive, which is the 10-minute walk. And just to put that into perspective, a local colectivo would charge you 25 pesos per person to take you on a half-hour drive. So 70 pesos to go to the end of the drive is quite expensive for here in Mexico. This is the reception of the hotel. We come here in December. The hotel is quite big, so when you arrive, you will be taken on a golf buggy and given a ride to your room with your luggage. Look at that big fella. Look at these coatis. They're so friendly and inquisitive and always looking for food. You can't escape them when you're over here. They're literally everywhere. They won't do you no harm, but if they know you've got food, they will surround you. So let's go see our room. Here's our room. We booked a double and a twin room, and as you can see, the bed is brilliant. We love the size of it. By UK standards, that is a pretty big bed. In the bathroom you get shampoo, moisturiser, conditioner, shower gel. Also standard in the room is a safe with tea and coffee making facilities and a fridge which has water, beer, Sprite, Fanta, Coke, and they will replace this every day when the maid comes in. We had adjoining rooms for our twin room, and again great size beds which were also very comfy. Let's go and have a look at the view from the balcony. As you can see, we're surrounded by mangrove swampland, so you do tend to get a lot of mosquitoes here. If you are the type that will be bitten, make sure you pack and wear your mosquito repellent. This is the area of the main buffet. This is breakfast time, so let's go see what they have on offer today. The breakfast and the lunch in the hotel are by far my favourite. The selection's really good, and I think it's much better than dinner time. You have selection of different fruit juices, in one of those canisters they have hot chocolate, which is really nice. So this is the black and white bar. Nighttime entertainment takes place on that stage. Every night at 8 o'clock they have a children's mini disco, and then the adult entertainment starts at 9. In the black and white bar, that's where you can get your snacks of the daytime. If you don't want to go to the main restaurant or you're just a bit hungry, there's cheese sauce, chili, tacos, hot dogs, and then at the end they have pizzas and pâtés with beef and chicken in, and the beef pâté was really nice. So we're just getting a ride to the beach. Bus stops all around the site, and if you stop at one of the bus stops, there's a big train, long golf buggy that passes every 15 minutes, so if it's too far for you to walk, you can get a ride. Okay, so the main pool area is right on the beach, which is nice, and there's plenty of room, so even when the hotel's busy, it doesn't feel full. Could always get a bed when we were there. And all the staff are really nice. This is the area, this is the hut where you pick up your beach towel. Aqua aerobics every day, I think. This is the other buffet. This is the one that everybody comes to when they're by the pool or by the beach. It's a bit more relaxed. This buffet area is basically has all the same choice as the other one. In these canisters there's chips or fries, hamburgers and hot dogs. The hamburgers were amazing. Grilled chicken there, which was really good, and all the sauces for the fajitas, etc. Lunchtime was really nice food too. They do have 5 a la carte here that you have to book 24 hours before. We tried the Italian one and the French one. We ate out a couple of times. Here we have a phone party on the beach. They seem to have parties every afternoon. The hotel is right on the beach. And sometimes if it gets too hot by the pool, it's great to come on the beach for the breeze. You could have a massage while you're here. Down the other end of the beach is a place called the Blue Lagoon, which is about a 20-minute walk. I will do a video of that. It's a really nice place. If you're staying here, you definitely need to walk to the Blue Lagoon. Check out my video. More aerobics by the pool. Here's a quick look at a market that they have every Tuesday night. Very friendly people.
On the right is 24 hours old.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate any support you're giving us.